Hello. Okay, so today I'm doing a pen pal and it is going to be train themed. So I've done up a sketch of the first, excuse me, it's not even late. It's like 3 in the afternoon. I've done up a sketch of the first elevated train in London and Greenwich, from London and Greenwich Railway, and I copied that from Tinternet. Whilst it might not be my expertise, certainly not to draw anyway. It's a lot of get a lot of the details right. It's very exact, so it's come out looking a little bit wonky, but hopefully they appreciate the effort. There we have it. There is the pen drawing. I'm not happy with it. I definitely need practice just drawing in pen. It took me a little minute to get used to being a bit freer, not so exact, and I think once I did that it started looking a little better. I think the problem was I was trying to be very precise, but at the same time not succeeding. So I think either you've got to be very precise and succeed, or you've got to be very carefree with your lines and kind of so that it looks like it's on purpose. And we pop our hole in that. Do our score line, and then we measure up our score line to this line to do the next. And again, measure up to this bit. and do the thing. Okay. There we have it. My tea is really cold, it's gross.
I hate cold tea as well.
Icky, icky.
It was raining really heavily, and when we came back to Daddy's, we were really cold, so Daddy let us have a warm drink, and I chose tea for some reason.
So Daddy made you a cold cup of tea?
No, Daddy made me
Daddy.
a warm cup of tea. It starts with warm milk, and
Billy Bob Stinky Pants, what are you doing making you the cold tea?
my tea was warm. It was hot.
Okay.
But it was too hot. So I left it for a little bit. And then when I came back to drink
It was gone.
so I just couldn't, I didn't drink any of it.
Yeah, that's gross when that happens. Do you know what I really hate? I hate it when I try and make a cup of tea without boiling the kettle first. I've done that a few times.
I've never done that.
But yeah, I've done that a few times where I thought that I boiled the kettle, I've come back into the kitchen, I've poured the water, and you know instantly when you haven't boiled the kettle because the tea doesn't like diffuse at all, it just sits floating in the water and not changing colour. Okay, so for the goodies I'm going to include tea because that's not stationary. He will find a use for tea. Okay, what should we pop in there then? I know, I mean flavour. What flavour? Wants poop flavoured tea. That's coffee. That's coffee. Where you get the muskrat poop coffee. It's a real thing. Real thing. Poop coffee. No, not normal coffee. It's really, really, really expensive coffee. That is definitely my take on it. Ew. But to be fair, I've not tried it and I don't like any coffee, so I can't really say too much about it. Right, okay, I'm gonna put a couple of goodies as well, like that's pretty cool.
How do you do that?
How do you do what? How do I think? She's a funny one, that one, isn't she? Did you hear that? I said, I think, and she said, wait, how do you do that? Such a cheeky little bum! It's with a lot of pain, I think, Evie. It's like, oh, I'm thinking, ow! I'm thinking, ow! I'm thinking, ow! I'm thinking. Really, when I cry out in pain, it's not because of one of my very many ailments, it's because I'm thinking. Okie dokie. Right, where did I put his letter now? Oh, for goodness sake. I'm so useless. Okay. So, here is his letter. Double check, yes. And I've done some cool, like with the Nuva, done some texturing on there. Okay. Nuva Hoover. Okay. That's it. Right, that's it for the train one. I hope you enjoyed watching. Flash me that thumb and comment on whether you are a train spotter or not. No, on whether you like travelling on trains. I quite like travelling on trains. I'd love to try out the Orient Express. I think that looks amazing. Or like one of those long distance sort of train rides where you can look out and see just beauty shining forth. But yeah, comment down below on what kind of style you like for a pen pal, or you like to gift do for pen pals. But yeah, okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.